Here's Rasmus. Smile, Rasmus.
Yay!
Yeah. Rasmus from Sweden.
He's the one who's smiling, he's not happy. Smiling.
Yeah, just be happy, man. You know, no point in dying sad. At least you can say you died happy. And Rasmus is going to the top of this tree and he's stopping now. He's going to fall from there soon. Okay, go.
Yeah!
Yeah!
And he's doing the upside down trick, well, the half upside down trick. Having a good laugh now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Right on, man. Back to work.
Rasmus from Sweden has just done the grand swing.